All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today we went ahead and started off the day with pulling 5 of these Cat 6s, I believe. Maybe they're Cat 6E. Anyways, they're some of the thickest cat wire I've ever seen. So we got 2 rolls of wires in here. So we did 2 pulls of 5 each. So we did a pull of 5, cut it, and then another pull of 5. So we did 2 runs of 5. So we got both of those sitting on top of the rack, enough to reach anywhere in the room. And then once you walk out of this hallway, that 4-inch chase goes straight right onto this cable tray. Maybe it's not technically a cable tray, but whatever you want to call this tray, low voltage cable tray. That 4-inch chase goes right there. Went ahead and once we got our 10 wires in, went ahead and took off the Velcro and strapped that across, or strapped that together with the other wires. Then we went across the ceiling as clean as possible. And then I probably need to put a strap out here just because it's a little tiny piece, like a 3-inch piece. So basically what happened was I measured outside, I measured inside, I measured off of the ground, drilled the holes. They didn't line up for some reason. There's a steel beam right in front of my hole, so the holes are offset. So I just did 2 little pieces of pipe, so it looks like it's one pipe. So I just need to probably strap it on the outside, but then that would kind of look dumb. But anyways, got the 10 wires inside the library. 2 of them are going on this left wall. The other 8 are going to the computers. Managed to get the multi-oscillating tool. And like I said yesterday, I think it's extremely hard to put these pieces of wood back up once you take them out. It's like they're tight fit. Like they put it in one way and they just keep going. So when you take it down and you try to put it back up, the wood slats that they are on basically are too tight. So I cut all the ends of them off, and then I had no problem putting them back in. After that, went ahead and pulled the wire from this for another 4-inch set of pipes. And this time we were just pulling in 4 wires, but we only have, it's a different type of wire, Cat 3. So we had to do 2 runs of Cat 3 for the 4 wires. And it's not even that far of a distance, but they put like at least 4 or 5 90s on this. I don't know who did this. They could have just did it with probably 190, depending on the structure. I'm not trying not to blast these people that did this, but they were pretty dumb probably. So anyways, they probably could have done 190, a straight shot coming out of that office, and then through the hallway. They might have had to hit a 45 right there, so probably could have done it with 2 90s, but I'm assuming there's at least 2 other 90s in there, or the wires were just tangled up in this pipe like beyond belief, because it wasn't that thick. It's a 4-inch pipe, and there's maybe like 20 wires in there, so it's pretty empty, but couldn't pull the wires through the string that was in there. We tried both pipes. There's 2 pipes. We tried to use the string on both of them. It didn't work. We had to fish tape in a new string, and then we pulled it, and it was the toughest wire pull of my life. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Like I was saying, one of the toughest wire pulls of my life, probably top 2 toughest wire pulls. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it was insanely rough. My hands are extremely tired. My hands were starting to cramp up. I pulled it in the first one, and then I had the apprentice help me I was probably a fourth of the way through the second wire pull. And I was like, yo, you got to come help me. My hands are cramping up. I can't do this. So he went over there, and then it got even harder for him as he was pulling the wire. I felt bad for him, especially after I lubed up all the wire. It was slippery and all that stuff. So it was probably like a 50-foot wire pull, and it took us like 3 hours or something. I don't know. It was ridiculous. Had to stay an extra hour after work, because if I stopped in the middle of the wire pull, all the lube would probably dry up, and then it would probably be stuck by Monday. So stayed an extra hour, got it finished, so claiming overtime on that. So hopefully my company's not mad about that, if they make a big deal about it later. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. The day started out really good. The 10 wires to the library went a lot smoother than I thought. With cutting the tips off of the wood, putting it back up was easy, so that was a great start to the day. And then pulling this wire, just day went right downhill real quick. But anyways, got it done. Hopefully the wire's not damaged, because we were pulling on it pretty tight, going through the pipes. So we pulled off 135 feet twice. So there's 2 135-foot coils up in the ceiling in the hallway, and they have to go down a whole bunch of T-grids, so you have to pop a whole bunch of tiles. Luckily, there is J-hooks as far as I know. Or, I mean, I know there's J-hooks, but I don't know how far down they go, so hopefully they go the whole length of the hallway, and then we'll run them down to their destination. And then on Monday, we'll be doing a third task, which is basically coming out of that first room again. I forgot what it's called, the IDF or something, MDF. So I have to come through there, come through that 4-inch chase again, hit the cable tray, go down past the library, take a left, and then into this other IT room or science storage room, whatever they want to call it. They keep changing the name of it every other day. So we'll be doing that, and hopefully school doesn't start on Monday for the kids, but I'm pretty sure it does, so might have a lot of traffic or whatnot. So we'll see. It's going to be annoying anyways. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. It would help the channel out, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video if you subscribe. And the last few announcements, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Probably going to do a live stream immediately after I take a shower. I got some more burgers, so I'm gonna cook those up. So if you guys want to hang out, ask me some questions, make sure to hit that notification bell. If not, see you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace out.